Thank you for sharing that information with me. Just as a recap, you have stated that some of your concerns are the cost of the product, the upkeep of the product, and the warranty that the product offers. Well, let me make your worries and concerns rest easy. There are huge benefits to installing artificial turf. The first benefit is yeah, it might seem like a big price tag initially, but if you factor in your water bill savings, if you factor in your landscape guy that you have come and mow and weed and edge and trim your lawn 2 times a month, and then if you look at some of the rebates that these cities offer, sometimes they will pay you to get rid of your grass and install something more eco-friendly like artificial turf. That is one huge benefit. Another huge benefit is that you're going to have green grass 24/7, 365. Whether it's the middle of winter or the middle of summer, doesn't matter where you live, in the desert, in the mountains, or next to the ocean, you're going to have green grass all year long and be able to enjoy the benefits of it. And one more benefit that I would have to offer is it has little to no maintenance. You're not going to have to go out there and pull weeds out of it on the weekends. You're not going to have to get it aerated. You're not going to have to reseed it. You're not going to have to do any of that maintenance or have your kids go out there and mow the lawn or your husband go out there and mow the lawn or any of those other things. I feel that installing artificial turf is a great way to help go green, as we like to say now, and also help out our environment, as well as put some money in your pocket in the long term. Don't you agree that this product will help you solve the concerns that we've been discussing?